Today, my excitement is through the roof. #mood. After months of preparation, we are unboxing the Froggy Fresh Doll! This is my first time seeing me as a doll in packaging. And let me tell you, when the box was delivered, I cried a little. Because this is a dream come true. We teamed up with the Fresh Dolls to create the Froggy Fresh Doll. I'm Froggy, for ages 3 and up. This doll is a deluxe set because it comes with a second outfit and some fun accessories. On the back of the box, you can see pictures of the other dolls in the collection, including the Fresh Squad and a picture of Dr. Lisa, the creator of Fresh Dolls, and the CEO and founder of World of EPI, who also makes Positively Perfect dolls. And at the top it says, "To be fresh is to embrace your look and be confident in who you are." I am confident that I am about to open this box because I can't wait any longer. Out of the box, her glasses are rubber band in place. The glasses are pretty much identical to my real ones, and if you tuck them into her hair, they're pretty good at staying in place. She has long black braids that are pulled back, brown eyes, and neutral lipstick. She wears large metallic gold earrings that say Fresh, and those aren't going anywhere. They are made so they do not fall out. She has on a white short-sleeve t-shirt that says My Froggy Stuff, denim jeggings, and hot pink fresh sneakers. You know how I love my hot pink shoes! She comes with additional fashion, a froggy green sparkly jacket with white trim, and a pair of high-waisted denim shorts. So you can mix and match the fashion to create your own froggy style. Those shorts are really cute, and they are totally made out of a fabric that we could distress later. This doll is posable with movement at the head. She can turn her head from side to side. There is full rotation at the shoulders, elbows, hip, and she can bend at the knee. Yeah! She comes with a black backpack. It has texture on the front and it says Fresh. This is totally me because I always have a backpack. Look at those details. You can see a zipper and a little buckle. Love it. She has a black cell phone that says Fresh with a few apps on the front. Most likely a few editing apps so I can post pictures on my Instagram. And she has a black laptop that says Fresh. It has a hinge in the back so it can open, and on the other side, we have a Fresh screensaver. I love all of the little accessories! The Froggy Fresh doll will be available at Walmart this fall, and you can find her at thefreshdolls.com. And did you notice that the packaging is our graffiti wall? You know we gotta make something out of this. So let's get crafty. Carefully separate the layers of the back of the box to remove the plastic packaging. Apply glue, then glue the two sides back together, pressing down all of the cuts so they lay flat. Cut cardboard into thin strips, and remember to always have adult supervision when crafting. Cover with scrapbook paper to make wood beams. Cut the sides off of the clear plastic. Cut a piece of cardboard to fit the back of the box and the clear plastic. Cover with scrapbook paper. I cut another piece of cardboard that is taller than the logo on the box. Cover both sides with scrapbook paper. Glue the graffiti wall to the floor. Glue on the half wall. Glue the clear plastic to the other side. Glue the wood beams into the corners for support. I added some to the outside to give the box a clean look. I'm framing the window, but before I do, cut thin strips of cardstock, glue them to the clear plastic to make window panes. clean up the edges with the beams to make a corner room that can be used for a display for our doll. And the back of the box is still intact. I see this as being a creative space for Froggy. So let's add our popsicle stick easel from our doll art classroom. Brush on a little paint so it looks used. Let's add a stool from a previous video, and we're gonna put a little paint on that too. I take the shelf from our 5 Easy Magazine Crafts video, stack and layer rectangles of paperboard, cover it with paper, place it on one of the shelves, turning it into a high desk, so she has a place to use her laptop. And we're gonna put her phone there too. Add a bead and an artificial plant, a few mini toys, books or magazines, cut out pictures from our artwork printable, glue them onto poster board, cut them out, place them on the floor by the easel against the wall, along with our watercolor unicorns and easy dollhouse paintings to make an art studio mini room. And it is the perfect place to display our Froggy Fresh doll. Ooh, and we can place a calendar outside her window for a great view. Look for the Froggy Fresh doll at thefreshdolls.com and coming to Walmart this fall. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Froggy Fresh doll. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.